In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do basic bookkeeping with QuickBooks Online. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, take a moment to look at the left menu. You'll see Apps there, and you can click All Apps to explore integrations if you plan to connect tools later. For now, we'll focus on the core bookkeeping workflow inside QuickBooks. Let's set up your bank transactions so your books reflect real activity. Under Accounting, click Bank Transactions. Here, connect your bank account to bring in your recent transactions automatically, or upload a file from your bank if that works better for you. Connecting a bank feed saves time and reduces manual entry, but always ensure you're connecting the correct account and review the date range to avoid duplicates. Next, record your income. Click Create. Then under Customers, choose either Invoice or Sales Receipt. Use Invoice when you bill a customer and expect payment later. Use Sales Receipt when you were paid on the spot. Select the customer, add your product or service, double-check quantities, rates, and taxes if applicable, and save. Accurate product and service details help keep your reports meaningful and consistent. Now, record expenses. Click Create again, and under Suppliers, select Expense. Choose the payment account, like your bank or credit card, then enter the category to describe what the expense was for, such as office supplies or software. Enter the amount, include a description if helpful, attach a receipt when possible, and save. Using the right category keeps your profit and loss report clear. With transactions flowing in, review and categorize them. Go back to Accounting, then Bank Transactions. Look at the downloaded items and add, match, or categorize them. Match links transactions to existing invoices, sales receipts, or expenses you already recorded. Add creates a new transaction from the bank feed. Categorize ensures each item lands in the correct account so your reports stay accurate. Manage your contacts to streamline future entries. For customers, go to Customers, then Customers to view or add profiles. For suppliers, go to Expenses and Bills, then Suppliers. Keeping complete names and details here will speed up your workflow and improve reporting. Check your reports to see how you're doing. Click Reports and open the Profit and Loss. Review your income and expenses for the selected period, and adjust the date range to compare months or quarters. Look for unusual spikes or negative amounts that might signal a miscategorized transaction. Finally, reconcile your bank account. Under Accounting, click Reconcile. Select the bank account, enter the statement ending balance and date, and work through the items until the difference is 0. When everything matches, complete the reconciliation to lock in accuracy. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.